Hello everybody, today we have a new deck for review. I spent a lot of money on this deck. I bought this for $60 US. Currently this deck is the most expensive in my collection, so let's open the package and see it. This is it guys, today we have the infamous, legendary brown Wynn playing cards, brand new and sealed. I know that a lot of people would keep this deck sealed and would never open this, but I bought it specifically to open and to see how they feel and to play with them. So let's open. So let's take a closer look on the box. On the front we have B, we have casino quality, club special, plain cards, and this brown kind of edges. On this edge we have Diamondback Club Special. Here we have the US playing card company Cincinnati, Ohio. This deck was made in Ohio, which is amazing. On the bottom we have B cambric finish and barcode. We have red seal, which is kind of tilted to the left because the casino decks have seal tilted. And this deck was printed on 13th of May 05. So this deck is 16 years old. That's insane. Now I don't even know if I want to open it. I have some part of me that says keep it sealed in your collection, but let's open it guys. We did it guys. We've broken the seal. This deck doesn't want to come out. Now it did. Ooh, look at this beauty, look at this. Look at this famous back design. So on top of the deck we had this card which says when this deck was printed. It has Jumbo Index deck art, a Wynn logo. On the other back it's blank. On the bottom we have another barcode, special scanning code, and we have the deck. The jokers, one on bottom, one on top. Two identical jokers. There is a joker standing on the B and it says United States Playing Card Company, Cincinnati, Ohio. And Ace of Spades. This deck has jumbo indexes, specifically for casino games. Famous back design, two Wynn logos on the brown color. That's it. This deck feels awesome. So all faces are standard except that we have jumbo indexes. All the cards are standard. Yeah, this deck feels unique because of its finish. So let's try to Pharaoh shuffle it. Yeah. Traditional cut. Oh. Ooh. This deck feels unique. I don't have any deck that feels similar. This deck is awesome for packet cuts. The cards stay together very well. I would recommend this deck if you want it for your collection or if you want to do cardistry with it. It's very good, it's very durable, will last you long. I hope you like it guys. Thank you, until next time.